get up here. You're not on very much. Fish one. $2.33. Now you tell me there's not a fish in there. Not a very big one. Unless this frog will slide up the hook. Yeah. Not a very big one. You got that hook though. Oh yeah, 14. $1.45. That's not 12. No. We'll measure him, but not at all. No way. 10 and a half. See your fish. There you go. Oh, that's a nice fish. That'll weigh. Right out of that wood, huh? Make sure it's tagged. Yep. $1.98. Yep. We got 5.77 pounds in 3 fish. Yeah. He'll be 12 though. Yeah, that far limb to your right. Oh yeah. I'm gonna weigh you coming in. That's 12, 12 and a half. Set off. One more to our limit. $1.08. $6.85 total. Another one. That's the limit. That's the limit fish. Nope, the Seibert. Both those fish off the Seibert.
What color is this?
PB&J with the Bama bug. 1.41. 8.26 we're at with 5 fish. Only one of them's over 2 pounds. There you go. That will get him. Oh, I thought it was going to be a Kohler. Got one? Nice one? Oh yeah. That's a nice one. That's the big fish of the day. That's a Kohler, maybe. How far out? Not very. Was it deep?
Yeah.
Just let me make sure it's tiered. Yep. Oh yeah. 1.74. Store him. Got him. Alright, we're at 8.92 now. Got one? Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Same fish? Oh. Well, we've got a limit. Yeah, in the deeper water where they're supposed to be. Oh, this is a big fish. Right under those pads. He just destroyed it. Oh my. Nope, it ain't taking one off. It's 1.21, we needed 1.41.